is the Texas Weather Outlook video for Tuesday, August the 8th. Good afternoon, I am Donovan Neal. North Texas weather trending hotter and drier for the rest of this work week as an upper high from West Texas starts to move to the east. And also something on the board in the tropics, Tropical Storm Franklin. Take a look at the water vapor. Let's look at the water vapor satellite view. Upper high is currently centered somewhere in southwest Texas right now. That's gonna be gradually approaching into our area as drier air starts to take place. But here are the temperatures. This at noon, 81 in Arlington, 82 in Fort Worth, and 82 in DFW. Most of these are in the the mid 70s, ranging from mid 70s to the low 80s, and we're usually in the 90s this time of the year. But let's look at the dew points here. Only in the low 70s to the upper 60s. Normally this time of year we're seeing dew points near 80. And I guarantee you this is not that bad at all for this time of the year. Take a look at the watch warning map. There's one flash flood watch in Houston, in the Houston metro area. Other than that, things are quiet for North Texas. Issues with severe weather today. We have a slight risk for parts of New Mexico and Colorado. You can see where the drier air mass is taking place. That area, that corridor from Texas to near New England, where no thunderstorms are expected. Tomorrow, we only have a marginal risk for parts of the central and high plains. We'll have a risk for thunder for most of the nation, but organized severe weather shouldn't be a problem. And same thing on day 3. Severe weather risks to the north of here. Take a look at the rainfall amounts for the next 7 days. This is valid through Tuesday of next week. Amounts in North Texas range from about 1 to 2 to at least 3 inches of rain for North Texas. And again, just know that your rain amounts will vary. That will come with anything that we get on Sunday, Monday, or Tuesday of next week. We could see a few scattered showers, a few isolated showers or storms during the weekday, so we can't rule any of those chances out. Take a look at the tropics. Main thing on the board here is Tropical Storm Franklin. That's come through the Yucatan Peninsula overnight. Here's the GOES visible satellite loop. And right now it's almost making its way towards the island of Campeche right now. And will this become a hurricane? The National Hurricane Center says no for now, but I still think intensification is still likely as this storm moves into open water once again. Maximum sustained wind is only at 45 miles an hour at 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time. But we're still going to have to watch and see if trends verify. Now, there's another potential tropical wave out in the Atlantic. This one on day 2 again only has a 0% chance of becoming a tropical storm because it's battling a lot of shear and a lot of upper level winds and a lot of dry air. So I don't think we should worry about that for now. The European models still suggest that we could see development, but we're going to have to watch this very carefully. Let's look at the ensemble member guidance, and most of these don't even come to the coast of the U.S. Mainly tracking it more easterly. But most models don't even develop this system, so this system is likely to fizzle out sometime soon, so we don't have to worry about that. So here we go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. Again, broad troughing in the north still taking place, and down below that we're still in a pretty dry air mass. Again, partly cloudy and warm with highs again in the low 90s. Thursday could with a slight disturbance or so from the east, we could see a chance for isolated shower or storm or two. Won't be a huge washout, but I'd say the best chance of one spot getting wet is in the 10 to 20% bracket. Go to Friday, disturbance starts to move in. could see a chance for a shower or a storm, or can't rule out the chance for a shower or a storm or two, but again, partly cloudy and humid. Still trending drier with highs in the middle to upper 90s on Friday. Same thing Saturday, except we're a little drier. Now go to Sunday. A front approaches from the north, and that's a good look at showers and storms on Sunday. Other than that, highs in the low to mid 90s. Go to Monday of next week. Again, that looks like a good chance of scattered showers and storms as the surface front stalls. And go to Tuesday of next week, a week from today, August 15th. Broad troughing still occurring in the northeast, and also a little bit more troughing occurring to the west of here as well, as the pattern changes. And down below that, I think the surface front, with showers and storms, will still be possible as the surface front pushes to the south. Other than that, expect highs in nearing 90 degrees or in the upper 80s. Here's the end of the forecast period. On Friday, the 18th of August, heat trying to creep back up in the south and west, and down below that, I think the heat bubble or the high pressure that's trying to build here will keep things dry here in North Texas. Take a look at the temperatures for the next 6 days. Wednesday 92. We're going to trend drier for the next 4 days here until temperatures start to come back down Sunday and Monday and going forward. I still think that we should be 100-degree free for a long while now. That's it for the Texas Weather Outlook video this afternoon. I'll have more notes in the blog in the next video here by around the same time tomorrow afternoon. If you can, catch your local TV stations on the air at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and Godspeed.